said his family.
Come on and grab a seat. Yeah, we out in the desert, but we eating good tonight. Let's go. Out in the desert where the sun beats down. Built a sanctuary miles away from the town. Water hauled by hand, cast iron on the heat. Making sure the family's got something to eat. No delivery drivers, no concrete streets. Just the sand, the wind, and these savory treats. Got the fire burning hot, getting ready to prep. Making magic in the kitchen with every step. We cooking it up, fresh and brand new. Baby, it's off grid and on the menu. Stirring the pot, making the flavor ring true. Yeah, it's off grid and on the menu. From the soil to the plate, we showing you how. Grab a seat at the table, we serving it now, yeah. Gather around the fire when the evening cools. Out here in the wild, we make our own rules. Seasoning it right, smelling good in the breeze. Cooking up a feast by the mesquite trees. Got my dream chaser with me, yeah, the table is set. Best food in the valley, you can place a bet. Feeding him and
So today we just went to the water station to fill up our water tote that we are borrowing from our neighbors, 40 acres and a fort. And so my honey got it pumping from out of there into this big tote that he built a platform for. So I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it's getting there. We got the nice cover on it so no mold or algae can get in it. So this is how he's pumping the water from this tote into this one with this pump down here. Yeah, he gonna have to teach me about this, cause I don't know what's going on. So yeah, just a quick update for y'all. And right now he's getting more extension cords so that way I can finish washing. My husband built me an enclosure for our washing machine. We got this washing machine a couple of days ago. And here is the top enclosure we built out of pallets. I helped him a little bit, handed him things. He nailed it in, screwed it in, I should say. So here's the washer. Put a little bit of clothes in. That's alright, because we off grid, so it saves us money. And it also saves us on the water. Saves us money because we don't have to go to the laundromat anymore. So I can just come out here and wash. And then this is the spin. See, the water comes out of there, goes in here. But put all the clothes down there. Then it spins out. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. He also put cloth around so the snakes won't get in. And down there, ventilation so it can vent. And then on the other side of the RV, he built me 2 clotheslines. One goes all the way down there. Then the other one right there, all the way down there to the other pole. So I got 2 clotheslines, and I'm gonna start doing laundry, and I'll show y'all what it's like.
Sand in the
I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out.
sand on the frame.
I'm not good.
This place with my own name.
You already instructed?
Boats in the storm, boats in the heat. Every hard day under my feet. Hold steady, hold deep. I learned the long way what I keep. High and hope, stand through the storm.
Fill it up to. This is low. This one is medium. These two are medium. And then this one is high. So you want to fill it up to about right here if you have a large load. See, I just stopped the water. It's up that high. After water gets in here, your clothes and your laundry detergent come up here and you go to the wash timer. I'm going to turn it all the way to 15. Forgot to put this back in here. Look, y'all, it's working now.
Oh. I think that white thing is an agitator. I was wondering what that was. Ooh,
Let me show y'all.
that water got dirty quick.
Clothes is nasty.
That's desert life for you.
Right. All right, so let's get these clothes out of the washer. Oh, they're in the washer. I have to drain it, so let's bring you all closer. See the drain? Have to drain it first.
Out in the reach,
We're gonna spin it over here.
where the sky
Get
goes
up
thin.
that dirty.
I found my way by the shape within. No gold, no crown, just beaming bone. I work hard and pray harder, harder, harder. I and hope stand through the storm. I and hope built to hold me warm. I and hope won't bend, won't fall. I and hope I made it all.
Put it on 5. It's 10. Rinsing them clothes out now. And then once it hit about 2 minutes, I'll stop the water. So I actually stopped the water at 3 minutes, as you all can see. And I'm just gonna let it continue to spin out with no water, because I figured running water for that long, we're gonna run out of water sooner than later. So no, it's just smarter to do it the way I did it. Alright, y'all, so we just got done. My clothes look good and smell good. So I forgot to mention to you all, I took half the clothes out of the washer and put them in the rinse, because the barrel for the rinse is smaller than the one for the wash. So
Come on and grab a seat. Yeah, we out in the desert, but we eating good tonight. Let's go. Out in the desert where the sun beats down, built a sanctuary miles away from the town. Water hauled by hand, cast iron on the heat, making sure the family's got something to eat. No delivery drivers, no concrete streets, just the sand, the wind, and these savory treats. Got the fire burning hot, getting ready to prep, making magic in the kitchen with every step. We cooking it up, fresh and brand new. Baby, it's off grid and on the menu. Stirring the pot, making the flavor ring true. Yeah, it's off grid and on the menu. From the soil to the plate, we showing you how. Grab a seat at the table, we serving it now, yeah. Gather around the fire when the evening cools. Out here in the wild, we make our own rules. Seasoning it right, smelling good in the breeze. Cooking up a feast by the mesquite trees. Got my dream chaser with me, yeah, the table is set. Best food in the valley, you can place a bet. Feeding him and our daughter, making sure they're right. Nothing but love on the menu tonight. We cooking it up, fresh and brand new. Baby, it's off grid and on the menu. Stirring the pot, making the flavor ring true. Yeah, it's off grid and on the